The world of AI and technology just does not slow down, and this week proved it again. From Bollywood's deepfake videos getting deleted to Elon Musk's next big AI dream and even billion-dollar global tech deals, we have got everything that's shaping the future of AI right now. Let's start with what's happening here in India. Big news from Bollywood and YouTube. Dozens of AI generated fake videos were removed after a Reuters investigation revealed that they were using actors' faces and voices without permission. These clips looked extremely real, showing popular stars in fake interviews and even movie scenes that never existed. After the report went public, YouTube quickly took them down for violating deepfake and impersonation rules. Second news, the AI company Anthropic, best known for creating cloud AI, is officially coming to India. They have announced plans to open their first Indian office in Bangalore by 2026. CEO said India's huge pool of engineers and growing AI market make it the perfect place to expand. This move could make India a key center for responsible AI research and safety development. Third news, Google just made AI search more inclusive. Its new AI search mode now works in 7 Indian languages, that is Bengali, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. They also launched Search Live, a feature where you can search using both your voice and camera. That means you can just talk or point your phone at something and Google's AI will tell you what it is. This is a major step in bringing conversational AI to millions of new Indian users. Fourth news, Tata Communication has launched an amazing new voice AI platform that supports more than 40 languages. It's designed to make customer support faster and more natural. Basically, AI that sounds human. This is big for industries like banking and telecom, where customers often struggle with robotic automated calls. Fifth news, India's finance minister raised a strong warning this week, saying that deepfake videos and voice clones have become a real threat. She even mentioned that fake videos using her voice are circulating online. The government is now working on stricter AI misuse laws and awareness programs to protect people from scams and misinformation. Next news, former OpenAI CTO Meera Murthy is back with her new startup Thinking Machines Lab, and she has already launched her product Tinker. Tinker is an AI tool that lets developers fine-tune large language models without complex coding. It's being called a no-coder revolution for AI customization. Next news, the government-backed initiative India AI launched the Face Authentication Challenge, a contest inviting developers to build AI systems that can spot fake or duplicate identities. This could help prevent fraud in exams, Aadhaar, and digital services, improving how India verifies in online users. Alright, now let's move to what's happening globally. Elon Musk just announced two ambitious projects under his company XAI, an AI generated video game and a full length AI movie called Grok Image. Both are planned to release by 2026, and Musk says this will test if AI can truly create watchable and emotional art. Yes, AI might soon be making your next favorite movie. Next news, the European Union has launched a $1.1 billion plan to boost AI adoption across healthcare, defense, and manufacturing. The goal is simple, to make Europe independent from US and Chinese tech giants and build its own AI ecosystem. This could completely reshape the global AI balance of power. Next news, tech company Cisco introduced its P200 chip designed to connect massive AI data centers more efficiently. It cuts energy use by 65% and replaces nearly 90 standard chips. This chip could power the next generation of large-scale AI systems, making them faster and greener. Next news, the battle between Sam Altman's OpenAI and Elon Musk's xAI is heating up. Musk's company accused OpenAI of stealing trade secrets, but OpenAI hit back, filing a motion to dismiss the lawsuit, calling it baseless and anti-competitive. This could become one of the most watched tech legal fights of the year. Next news, music giants like Universal Music Group and Concord are suing Anthropic for using copyrighted song lyrics in AI training data. A US judge has allowed the case to proceed, meaning Anthropic will face trial. This decision might define how copyright law applies to generative AI models worldwide. Last news, cybersecurity researchers have exposed a Chinese speaking cybercrime group running a large global SEO fraud network. They hacked into servers worldwide and used AI to spread malwares. It's a reminder that AI is not just a tool for innovation, it's also becoming a weapon in the wrong hands. And that wraps up this week's biggest AI and tech updates, from India's deepfake crackdown to billion-dollar AI breakthroughs shaping the world. The future is arriving faster than ever, and the more we understand it, the smarter we can use it. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.